I have two PCs at home running Linux, of course. Both of them are running miniOS. I'm on a secondary machine, and I've elected to start the standard version of miniOS. My primary machine has a miniOS Ultra and have configured all the keyboard shortcuts in that machine. I want to duplicate the keyboard shortcuts into this machine by overriding one file, copying this file from the main computer to a secondary computer that I'm working on here, that I can go ahead and duplicate keep all the keyboard shortcuts that I'm used to. So right now I've copied the file from the main computer, this file which is in home directory live.config. Essentially we can just go ahead and take a look here. So under home and live directory, there is a Control H will bring out all the hidden files. There's a configuration directory .config, and then within it xfce4, and within it xfconf, and then within it is perchannel-xml, and then this file will contain all the keyboard shortcuts. So right now this one is new, and so this one needs to be overwritten from the file that contains all my custom keyboard shortcuts. To make things easier, we can go back, and I've downloaded the file from my the other main PC with all the keyboard shortcuts here. So what we want to do is go ahead and right click and then copy, and then go back to xfce4, xf, and channel, and then here is the file that needs to be overwritten. So right now it's 12.1 KB, and we're just going to paste it in, Control V, and then yes, we want to replace it. So we'll just go ahead and let it replace, and then it's going to have a different size, confirming that it has been overwritten. So now it's 10.5. It's actually slightly smaller than the default keyboard binding. So now this, I've confirmed that this will work after rebooting the machine. So that's how you can simply copy your own custom keyboard shortcuts from one USB stick running miniOS to another miniOS.